Good morning and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 4th of January 2023. Today's Trading the Trend is to go long the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. And as you can see on the daily chart here, yesterday we started off 2023 with a stronger dollar, pushing the Aussie US dollar rate down to 66.88. But then overnight, we saw a very strong rally in the Australian dollar on the news that China is planning to end its 2-year ban on importing Australian coal. And therefore, the Australian currency has risen very sharply and has now closed for the first time since April of last year above the red line here, the 200-day simple moving average. And if I go back to earlier of 2022, you can see here that the last time we traded above the 200-day simple moving average was in April of 2022. And then we were capped with regards to the currency pair back in May, also in June, in August, and in December of last year, below that red line, the 200-day simple moving average. And the fact that we are now trading above it is technically significant and does suggest that further upside is in store and that the rise we've seen from the October lows is likely to continue in the weeks and months ahead. And our upside target area in that case is the area between the May and June highs between 70 to 66 and 83. So from a trading perspective, what I would like to do for today's Trading the Trend is to go long the Australian dollar versus the US dollar at 68.75 with an upside target of 72.40 and a stop loss just below the last reaction low at 66.85.